Meaning of double book.
Double book.
Double book.
Double book.
Double book. The term double book refers to the situation where a person or organization schedules two or more events or appointments for the same time period. This can result in conflicts or difficulties as the person may not be able to attend both events or fulfill all obligations. Double booking can also cause frustration and inconvenience for others involved, such as clients or event attendees. It is important to carefully manage schedules and prioritize commitments to avoid double booking and ensure effective time management.